Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's presentation session. I am Nakul Hussain, lecturer in Aeronautical Engineering Department, United College of Aviation Science and Management. Today I'll give a presentation on history and evolution of digital marketing. Over the last few decades, we have witnessed a dramatically accelerating pace in the development and adaptation of new technologies. Internet has been introduced to people, and now people have easy and free access to a large source of data and global information because of internet. Also, there is rapid development in electronic devices and smartphone technologies. So to keep up with this technological advancement, the marketing department of companies and marketing professionals have started to use digital marketing to showcase their product and services to a large customer base. Businesses now no longer use only traditional marketing policies. Due to technological advancement, companies now have to shift their focus to digital marketing as well in order to reach out to a wider range of audience. Digital marketing, or we may call it online marketing or internet advertising, is basically promoting your businesses online. And it is a big deal nowadays as the usage of internet has more than doubled in recent times. And this shift has significantly affected how people buy products or services and interact with businesses. Digital marketing refers to any marketing efforts that are carried out online over the internet to market your products and services. Email marketing, pay-per-click advertising, search engine optimization, social media marketing, and even blogging are all great examples of digital marketing as they help introduce people to your company and convince them to buy. To make your brand and business stand out from the crowd, it is very important that your brand and business establish and maintain a very strong online presence in order to be competitive enough to reach out to target audience. In order to reach a wide range of audience, you need to provide information about your brand, product, or services using various digital platforms, which are called digital marketing channels. They are content writing. Prime example is writing a good content on your own website. Organic search, which are unpaid, and SEO strategy is used to optimize content and website structure to be found more easily in an online search. Then there is social media marketing, email marketing. How the internet has revolutionized digital marketing. Digital marketing was introduced back in 1990 after the introduction of search engines, which was commonly referred to as RG. The Web 1.0 platform enabled internet users to search for information over the web, but they could not share the information over the web. Back then, the web hadn't developed so much, so web indexing wasn't used so often. In 1994, digital marketing achieved its first milestone through the introduction of clickable banners. Later, Hotwire company purchased banner ads to advertise through the web. This marked the beginning of online advertisement. In 1994, Yahoo established the first search engine, and people started using the Yahoo search engine to look for information on the web. After a year of its launch, more people were using Yahoo to access information. Companies started optimizing their web pages to increase their rank in the search engine. Amazon e-commerce site was established in 1994, whereas eBay site was established in 1995. Other search engines were launched in 1996 like Hotbot, Alexa, and LookSmart. During this time, marketing professionals started using search engine optimization, that means SEO, to ensure their websites' content appear on the top results of the searched information. SEO techniques like keyword-oriented contents and backlinks were commonly used to increase site rankings. In 1998, another search engine company called Google was launched, and over the years, it has become the most popular search engine across the globe. Google established AdWords in 2000 to help marketers to advertise their product and services. The Google Ads became a major player in the digital marketing world and improved sales of businesses. Web 2.0 was also established, which opened many doors for digital marketing channels. Interactive websites were also established, and this enabled marketers to publish dynamic content and allow the target audience to interact with the site. In 2002, the LinkedIn Professional Network was established. The site was primarily used to help business interact with other business associates and target audience. The launch of MySpace social network site happened in 2003, after a year Facebook went live. Many brands and businesses took advantage of the new social network sites to create awareness of their products and services. YouTube was launched in 2005, and it filled the gap between creating and sharing videos. In 2006, the search engine traffic increased to 6.4 billion in a month. Twitter was also launched in that period, and the Amazon's e-commerce sales reached $10 billion during that time. To keep up with the competition, Google launched real-time search engine results in 2009. The Google algorithm started to target ads based on customer search, making it the most used digital marketing scheme. Budget for social media marketing campaigns were raised by 64%. Social media sites like Facebook and MySpace were commonly used by businesses to promote and engage their target audience. 2014 saw the increased use of a smartphone in accessing the digital technology. More people downloaded Facebook Messenger app to connect rather than using PC to access Facebook. More Facebook and LinkedIn ads were customized for mobile use. Currently, the most commonly used social media apps are Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitter, and Reddit. For example, there are 3 billion Facebook users daily. So brands and businesses now take maximum advantage of these sites to reach to a wide customer base. Today, the cookie technology has become an important tool in digital marketing technology. Every website stores some information about each user's browsing history. A cookie is basically a piece of code left in the user's browser once they visit a certain website. And this cookie enables the website to remember certain information about the user based on the last time they visited the website. The recorded cookies information play a critical role in digital marketing, as marketers use them to track the browsing habits of users. Thank you for watching and listening to my presentation. If you have any suggestion, please let me know.